I noticed a tendency for myself and people like you to live in the past and also live in the future. We think that we're a series of memories that have brought us to who we are today. And we have anticipation for what's into the future. And we think that someday I'm going to be in this particular place where I'm going to be happy. And what we don't realize is that this very moment right here, right now, is actually your life. And time is like on a line with a dot moving. And the position right now is essential to be caught up in this moment because every moment is the golden memory. And we form golden memories. But if we're thinking about the past and dragging baggage with us, or thinking about what we're going to become in the future, we're missing the most important time, which is right now. So one of the best ways to dial into the moment is to do a simple breathing exercise. And it's not a meditative thing. It's just a physical thing that gets you right into your body, into your physiology, which is streams of data. Your body is generating billions, quadrillions of streams of data at all times. Your living being is always feeding information to your brain, and your brain monitoring and then feeding information back. And you want to make sure that your autonomic nervous system, which holds you in the present or puts you in the past or puts you in the future, is dialed into the moment. So it's a simple thing of breathing in through your nose to the count of 5 very smoothly. And when you breathe the air in through your nose and you breathe, like you're going to fill your lungs up to the count of 5. So you're going to get used to how long it takes to count to 5 to how soon your lungs fill up. But don't pull the air in hard. Just pull it in regular and smooth. And then the smooth transition to the exhale goes out of the mouth to the count of 6, because it takes a little bit longer to breathe the air out smoothly than it is to breathe it in. And what that does is it dials your heart in to exact autonomic nervous system called parasympathetic. When you're in your parasympathetic state, you're in the moment, you're in your body, you're thinking about the present moment. And it only takes 30 seconds to get your heart dialed in, and it takes 5 minutes to bring you into the present. So minimum once a day, just take only 5 minutes. Just sit back and think about rhythmic breathing, literally counting numbers. 5 in, 6 out. And that puts your heart rate variability into the healthy green level. If you were to have a little monitor you can buy online from HeartMath and hook up to your ear, you're probably running in the red and yellow zone most of the time. And that's why you're not living in the present. When you're in the green zone on a thing called inner balance, but you don't need to buy it. All you got to do is do this. I've already seen it proven scientifically thousands of times. And you breathe in through the nose, turn a 5 into your heart. The air does actually go into your heart from your lungs right away anyway. So you can imagine it breathing into your heart and then let it go out, and you'll find yourself calm right down. It also energizes you. If you have a little lull during the day, it will bring you into a deeper, relaxed state for a few minutes. And then when you do it for 5 minutes, you come out with a super energy for the next 8 hours. So that's how you dial yourself in.